How to add shipping address on Goat. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how you can add shipping address on Goat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Goat website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm going to search for an item that I want to buy. So for example, a shoes, for example, and after that I just need to choose a modification, or for example the size itself, and it differs in price and size. And after I select one for my item, if I select it, as you can see, I will be redirected to the cart where I will need to, input my shipping address. So this is where I will, input all of my shipping information, my city, my, street address, all of that I need to input right here. And after, I input all of that, I can just click continue to payment, and it will actually, this shipping address will automatically added as my default shipping address for my Goat account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you add shipping address on Goat. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.